Welcome to everyone guys, PROXIMAN is back with a new video. In this video, we are going to discuss about what kind of battery you have to use for your old laptops. So guys, let us have a battery review now. Now let us remove the old battery from my laptop and fix it with the new battery. Now let us go to the local market and fetch a new battery and let us see the battery review, how it works on my laptop. Yes guys, I am finally back with a new battery. This is not any HP, Lenovo or Dell. It is a local market brand. It is known as LabCare. As you can see, it is a local market brand. It is called as LabCare. Its price range is almost 2000 rupees if you buy online. If you buy in local market, you can buy it for 1800 to 1500 around. I bought it for 1700 rupees in the local market. Now let us unbox the battery box and see what it all got inside it. Now let us unbox the battery now. As you can see guys, as I open the battery box, the battery is fully protected with the red poppy covers. And you can see guys, this battery is fully protected and बहुत तगड़ा है यार. And let us see what it all got inside it. It has got one user manual with some Indian languages, and also it has got a 1-year warranty card. Yes guys, let us see what is the backup of the battery by inserting it into my old laptop by removing the old battery from it. This is almost 5-year-old laptop. Now let us eject the old battery and fix it with the new battery. Finally the old battery is ejected. This was the company given battery of HP, which is 2600 mAh, and the new battery is about 2000 mAh because it is not a branded one, so it's having a low mAh, and it is a lithium ion battery. Now let us fix this battery with my laptop and see how much battery percentage it has got, and also what is the battery backup. Finally I fixed it guys. Now let us on my laptop and see how much battery backup it has got and what is the performance of the battery. Okay guys, now let us see how much battery backup it is got freshly. As you can see, the battery itself shows that 79% of battery it has got freshly, and it could remain for 2 hours 43 minutes. So by this we can understand that another 20% will add almost half an hour, so it will have almost 3 hours of battery backup. And what will you expect from a 2000 mAh battery? It is a good backup guys. So this was up for today guys. Let us meet in the next video with a new product. तब तक के लिए अलविदा.